Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 2. The blessed Lord said, "This body, O Kaunte, is called Kshetra, the field, and he who knows it is called Kshetragna, the knower of the field. By those who know them, Kshetra and Kshetragna, that is, by the sages."
श्रीभगवानुवाच इदं शरीरं कौन्तेय क्षेत्रमित्यभिधीयते एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः.
Chapter 13, Shloka 2. This shloka attempts to define the two aspects, the inert and insentient matter layers and the sentient and vital consciousness. The quest is subjective as the experience of perfection is subjective. The subjective structure of man consists of matter layers that condition the spirit. A discriminative knowledge of the matter layers as distinct from the spiritual core is required by the seeker to rediscover his identity with the spirit and realize the non-existence of matter when viewed from the realm of the spirit. As on waking up from a dream, the waker realizes that the dream was nothing but a misinterpretation of the waker's own mind in the dream. So too, the pluralistic world does not remain when the spirit awakens to its own spiritual status, the absolute reality in which the matter has no existence at all. The body is the field in which the energy called life plays and work is produced to serve him. He who knows it is called the knower of the field. The field is made up of inert matter, and yet, as long as it is alive and functions, it knows. This principle of knowing, functioning in the field, is the enjoyer of the field, the knower, the ego. As long as life exists, it expresses as an urge to know. This urge to know expressing through the equipment is what we call life. While transacting life, when this knower, the individuality, departs from the equipment, we consider it as dead. This is the knower of the field. These definitions are not arbitrary declarations but are actual experiences of the great masters. We can conclude with definition of matter, kshetra, and the spirit functioning through it Kshetragna. The entire world of matter of objects constitutes the kingdom of matter, and the vital knower of the world of matter, constituted of the equipments and their array of perceptions, feelings, and thoughts, is the spirit. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.